up, you guys? We're sitting here in a 1966 Volkswagen right-hand drive Bug, heading down south to the beach to show you guys what a beautiful coastline we got here in Thailand. Y'all want to join us, man? Feel free to come. We're going on a test drive. What's up, you guys? I'm sitting here with my buddy Chris. Chris actually sold me this Volkswagen, man. So we just picked it up today from the shop and we're about to take it for a little cruise throughout Bangkok, maybe head down to Chonburi and yeah, just do a quick little loop. So really quick, I'm gonna ask Chris so he can give you guys some information about this Bug, like where he bought it, you know, what he did with it and all that type of good stuff. So yeah, let me hand the camera over to Chris and see what's up with Chris.
Well, it's a 4-year slave to this car. I built the engine at 1200cc, took it up to 2.3 litre with a turbocharged engine, and now we're back at 2.2. Restored car, body off restore, and it's bitching.
There you have it, man. This guy just completely flipped out his car, and not only did I buy a nice car from this guy, but I also made a good friend. That's right.
I drink to that.
So we're gonna take you guys really quick for a little ride throughout the city so you guys can get a nice little feel about this Bug and how cool it runs and stuff, and get a little tour of Bangkok. So you guys ready for a nice little ride? Y'all are more than welcome to join us. Here we go. Speedometer gauge, right? Take a look. So it's like a digital speedometer. The original one, it doesn't work because this car used to be like a little race car and stuff. So we're gonna put this on right here. It's got a little magnet. We're gonna turn it on. Oh shit! We're gonna turn it on and we're just gonna see at what speed this car is cruising at. So this is pretty much kilometers right now. So we're going at 110, no problem. 120, 122. I gotta say, man, it's not bad. We're hitting 120, 125, and we're not even trying to go that fast as well with all the traffic. And the engine sounds solid, man. My plan is to take this car from Bangkok and drive it all the way to Chiang Mai. I don't know if it's gonna happen or not, but we're definitely gonna give it a shot.
Floods, man, floods.
What's that?
Floods.
What floods?
Yeah, the floods on the way.
They got floods?
Yeah, the boat, the car's gonna float.
This guy's gonna float?
Yeah, in the floods.
What's he talking about? The car's gonna float? We're just approaching another tollway right here, so we gotta pay some cash right quick so we can continue going down to Lam Chabang. So just so you guys know, man, we're heading down to the beach to give you guys a nice little tour of the beautiful ocean. Oh, I can't see her. Who is she? To mention about this car is sitting on 4-wheel disc brakes. So it's got the front disc brakes, the rear disc brakes. It got the extra bigger size calipers as well. The shocks all the way around are Monroe racing shocks. He's sitting on some like awesome BF Goodrich, are they Goodyear tires? We got some Michelin ครับอ๋อไม่มีเหรอใบไหนที่นี่อ๋อไม่ใช่ที่นู่นอันนี้เบิร์ยกเลยยกช้าๆใช่อันนี้รถโบราณแล้วก็ที่นี่อันนี้โอเคไม่มีปัญหา just that เนี่ยโอเคนะมันเป็นไรแล้วก็โอเคใช่ครับ so you can see man with these older cars it's hard for them to fill it up there you go we just put that there okay how do I buy what number so we're gonna put 95 into this thing and only 500 baht because if we put too much gas in there it tends to smell up the whole car yes sir good job how do I buy all right party oh good job I love this full service like I pump beat egg now my pin like just gotta have to close it because you gotta kind of slam these things there you go nice and solid let's go see how much gas we got 500 baht got us about 16 liters not bad at all all right man I'm gonna show you guys this bug really quick at this gas station so we can take a little look at what we were cruising all right, we just paid for the gas and Chris is coming here right now. He's about to tell me something that I need to know. What is it, Mr. Chris? Let us know.
Right, as a rule of thumb, you check your tires. Yeah, you give them a good kick. Like this. Not when you're wearing gay flip-flops. We check the tires, visual check. And we check the engine. So number one, we check for heat. You should be able to tap your hand and I can even hold my hand on the engine, which is incredible. And we check the fan belts. This is for the aircon. This is the main crank. And we check the pressure. It should move this far. But the most critical is the engine temperature. And this is even running too cold. It means we haven't been driving it fast enough.
So what should we do?
Drive it faster.
Alright, so we just left the gas station and we're heading down west to Bang Saen Beach. We're gonna stop there for 1 second and oh, let me show you the sign. Can you see it? Can you see it? I probably think you cannot see it. Oh man, we missed that sign. We're gonna head down to Bang Saen Beach for about 5 minutes, show you guys the scene, show you the water, show you whatever, and then head back down to Bangkok. So we should be there shortly, kind of like that. Welcome to Bang Saen Beach. Oh, we made it, y'all. Finally. All right, that is the bug at the beach, and let's go look at the beautiful ocean. Come on, you guys. This beach looks choppy as hell, man. A lot of vendors out and about, man. I wonder if it's like this in Chonburi right now. You think it's like this in Pattaya too? No? Way more packed here, man. It's like all the locals and stuff. Let's go take a quick look, you guys. Come on. There you go, Bang Saen Beach. I don't know if it's high tide, low tide, or what type of tide it is, but damn. Look at that shit, man. It is breaking right here, man. Whoa. Damn, I got a bunch of gangsters right there too. Yeah, we ain't gonna jump in there. So if you look like way down there, that's Pattaya, right? Yeah. So it's not too far from Pattaya. Let's see what else they got going down out here. Nothing much. The weather is perfect actually, man. Super breezy, super nice, super chill. And we got some super papaya salad, man. You guys want some of that? Delicious. You know what we're missing? A nice beer, man. Hey, can you give me a beer right quick? Let me get a Chang. I don't know if you guys been out this way or not, but it's definitely a place to stop by for a beer with your friends. Oh, you smell that weed? Ooh, yeah, someone's even smoking some weed too. Yeah, people are really laid back and chill, man. Always smiling, being happy.
Volkswagen boys signing out.
Whoop, whoop. Once again, thank you all for watching this video to the end, and we'll see you guys at the next one. This is Red Cowboy signing out. See you guys later. Bye-bye.